Proverbs 31:30, charm is deceitful and beauty is passing, but a woman who fears the Lord, she shall be praised. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Let's do some makeup today. I have a soft, feminine makeup tutorial for you ladies today. So let's start. Right here, as you all can see, I'm starting off with a fresh, cleansed, and moisturized face. And I'm going right in with my primer. It's the Spackle Mattifying Primer by Laura Geller. And I'm just going to rub that all into my face. So primer is important. You need it to create a smooth canvas for your face. Right here, I'm using a mattifying primer because I have oily skin. I'm going in with foundation first. Sometimes I do eyebrows first, but it really doesn't matter if you just know how to apply it. I'm using two foundations because I like my foundation to be full coverage. So I'm using the Maybelline and I'm using the Mary Kay. I'm also going to use a fluffy brush just to help me blend out that foundation. You may feel like this is going to be a lot of makeup that I'm applying, but actually when it comes down to doing a soft makeup look, it doesn't matter about how much makeup you use. It's just the application process. And as I've stated, I love a full coverage face. So I'm using the same color concealer and I'm just going to use the foundation brush that I use. I'm also going in with another concealer by LA Girl Pro Concealer that is also the same color, maybe a little bit lighter I see now, but it's just giving me that full coverage that I really want to go for. Right here, as you can see, I'm using two lighter shade concealers. So I saw this method on TikTok where the young lady, she applied the concealer like right in the corners of her eyes just to open up the eye area, and I love that part about this. So I'm just trying it out, you guys. I know it looks crazy, but trust the process. The important part of doing makeup is blending. I know you hear that word a lot, but please blend, blend, blend. Make sure that everything is blended. I'm not gonna lie, I should have used a smaller brush for this area, the T-zone, but it's gonna be okay as soon. As you all can see, I'm still blending. I'm lightly stroking my forehead so that way there is no harsh lines. Okay, ladies, so contouring is another important part of your makeup routine. You want to make sure that you're bringing that color back into your face and, you know, making sure that your bone structure is popping, honey. So you're going to just do it right on your cheekbones, going up to your forehead. I'm going to keep it real with you all. I don't normally use translucent powder. I'm not a fan of it at all. I usually go in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, but we're gonna go with this today. And I'm just gonna, instead of baking, I'm just pushing that powder right into the highlighted areas. Okay, so using that same bronzer palette by Juvia's Place, I'm just going to take a small brush and pushing that contour right into my eyebrows. Right on the bridge of my nose, I am going to place that translucent powder and let that bake. Using another Juvia's Place palette, I'm going to take some blush and place it on my cheeks and moving it right into my contouring. Now to the good part, my brows. I'm always changing my brow routine, but as you can see, I brush those hairs up and I just start outlining my brows. You can also use concealer to clean up your brows, but it's not really necessary when you're doing your foundation before your brows, but sometimes, you know, a cleaner look, you know, hey, go for it. If you do decide to use concealer, you want to make sure that you are light in this part because you don't want to put too much, you don't want to overdo it. And don't let doing your brows defeat you. I know some women still don't know how to do their brows, and it's something that you just have to get used to. Sometimes I have bad eyebrow days, so you cannot let brows defeat you at all. You just have to get used to knowing how your brows should look on your face. Everybody's eyebrow shape isn't the same, so you cannot compare your eyebrows to other people. Honestly, eyebrows is the main character when it comes down to makeup. Like, you have to make sure that they look right, because that's the first thing people notice when they look at your makeup, your brows. And just some finishing touches around the eyes. I'm taking that bronzer brown and I'm just going to place and blend it out around my eyes. I'm also going to use the Mary Kay black eyeliner, placing it right into my waterline. Now I'm going to take these beautiful wispy 99-cent lashes from the hair store and place them right on my eyes. Listen, ladies, if you all have eyelash businesses, email your girl. I will promote. And doing my lip liner is something that I'm still perfecting, so don't judge me. But this NYX in Espresso is the best. I love it. And I'm just using I don't know where I got this lip gloss from, but I love the color. And I'm going to go right on top of it with some lip gloss. Just to finish off this look, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I love this setting mist so much. Go get you some from Ulta. And this is the complete look. I hope you ladies enjoyed this video.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.